Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home using press-on nails, and honestly this routine has saved me so much money while still keeping my nails looking cute and put together. So the first thing I like to do is prep my natural nails. Nail prep is super important because it helps the press-on nails last longer. I started by cleaning my nails, pushing my cuticles back, and lightly buffing the surface of my nails so that it can help remove any oils and give the nail glue something to grip onto. I will attach the link to my Melanie Susie nail drill. I love this. I got this from TikTok Shop. Girl, TikTok Shop beats you every time. So I will link the link to that nail drill in the description box if you're interested, and to all the products I'm using in this video as well. Going to the nail salon every couple weeks can definitely add up, so learning how to apply your press-ons at home, girl, is such a great beauty hack if you want to stay polished and on a budget. Of course, there's so many routines and so many ways to do your nails, and there's always room for improvement. I know for sure I can always improve my routine and add extra things and finding new products in this process, in this journey. But the routine I have so far so good. Been chef kisses. My nails have been lasting maybe the max of about a month. So that's a great thing, as long as I be putting my gloves on when I wash the dishes. But girl, save them coins, sis, save those coins. Once I've filed and cleaned my nails off, I use acetone. You can use alcohol, whatever you prefer. I go in and make sure that I apply a base, which is my base gel polish. You don't necessarily have to do that, but I like to do that just to have a little protection barrier between my nails and the glue. I did see some of the girls have this glove that they put over their hands for the UV light protection on their skin, so I will be trying to get one of those from Amazon, so I'll let you know when I do and give you a review on that. Next, I like to choose the press-on size that fits each of my nails. Taking the time to find the right fit makes a huge difference, because you want the nails to be secured from sidewall to sidewall without overlapping the skin. And I try not to get it too close to my cuticle, so I do put it up just a little bit. It will leave a little gap, but it's hardly noticeable once you file the cuticle area. I like to apply my glue to my natural nail and to the press-on, and then hold the press-on down for about 20 to 30 seconds just to make sure it's secure. One of my biggest tips to making sure your nails last longer is to make sure your nails are completely clean and dry before applying your press-ons. No oils, no lotions, because it can cause them to lift sooner. So I've learned this trick about filing your cuticles down from another YouTuber. I couldn't remember her name, but she definitely helped you make your nails look more natural by filing the cuticles down, making sure you get all that dust off, and once you put your top coat on, it should blend seamlessly. You can also apply buildable gel that is about the same color as the root of your nails, and apply that to the root and then apply your top coat. Either way it goes, girls, the nail is gonna be seamless, okay? Once my nails are on and to my desired shape, I like to apply cuticle oil to them just to keep them looking healthy and polished. And y'all, just like that, you're gonna have salon nails at home without spending a salon price, girl. Maintaining your beauty and self-care while being smart about your money, I love that. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you try press-on nails at home? Kisses from me to you guys. Bye.
Private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder.